to the TNT Gay Family. We back with another cool assignment video. So this might be a short video. Next video we're going to play with dollar toys. First, we're gonna try out dollar slime. Yeah, I can get a good look. Okay, I'm gonna open it now. Okay, no. Okay, okay. Oh. Oh my gosh, can't. Oh. Okay, got it. Open it. Let's open it. I'm scared to open it. Don't know. Oh, we got plastic on it. Oh, it don't. Hot links. It got a unicorn in it. I forgot. Oop. A blue one. Okay, see, here's the. It looks pretty when it's inside of it. It looks pretty when it's outside of it. Look at the slime. It's jelly. Look at this glitter. Wait, hold on. This glitter. You see that glitter in it? Comment down below and subscribe if you see glitter. Oh, smells steak. Smell it. Smells steak. Okay. It's blooming. So let's open it. Okay, I hope it doesn't go big enough. Real cool with the sharp. Oh, the sharp thing is weak. Look. Scissors, please. Now I'm gonna open this. It's green. It's greener. And I have to take the top off. Okay, I'm gonna blow it, okay? I don't let it bubble. Oh, wait. Oh my gosh. Boop. I like the slime. Bubbles. Comment and subscribe if you like slime and you have one of these. My first video, this. I have lots of videos. If you got musically, then go to my third videos. Go to my account, watch my videos. My videos are so fun. Peace.